16, 25 and so on up to 100 up to 100 numbers. So here 1 can be written as 1 square, 1 can be written as 1 square, 1 can be written as 1 square and 4 can be written as 2 square and 9 can be written as 3 square and 16 can be written as 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 square and next 25 can be written as 5 square and so on. And 100 can be written as 10 square. So how to define this? D means here these are the squares of 10 natural numbers. These are the squares of first 10 natural numbers. So it is defined as x such that x is equal to n square. Where n belongs to natural number, comma n is less than or equal to 10. Let us check here. n belongs to natural number up to 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers: 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 and so on up to where we are 10 natural numbers. So 10 square is equal to 100. So this is what we are writing here, writing the following in the set builder form. Okay children, now we move to the problems on operations on sets. That is union and intersection. Later we will go over the difference of sets here. So A union B, we have to give A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. And we ask you to show that A union B is equal to B union A. It is written as A union B. Sometimes A cup B is equal to B cup A. A union B is equal to B union A. Satisfies commutative property. So we have to prove that A union B is equal to B union A. So first of all we will take here LHS. So what is LHS here? A union B. So that is equal to elements of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union and elements of B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. As we know that union means all elements which are in A and all the elements of A as well as elements of B. So all elements we should write. Let us write first elements of A here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is already repeated, 3 is repeated and 5 is repeated. The additional element is what here? 7. So these are the elements which belongs to A union B. So which is equal to A union. So LHS A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. All elements of A we have to write and the elements of B also we should write. But 1, 3, 5 are repeated. Elements should not be repeated in the set. So the additional element, the extra element is what? 7. That is the reason. So it is what? A union B. Let us find out the B union A. It is in the RHS. So let us write here RHS is equal to RHS is what here? B union A. That is equal to elements of B. Elements of B are 1, 3, 5, 7 union and elements of A. Elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and union means, as I said, elements of first set and also elements of second set. So first of all elements of first set we will write here 1, 3, 5, 7 and elements of the second set. 1 is written already, 2 is not there here, 2, 3 is already written and 4 is not there here, 4 and 5 already written here. So these are the elements here. So let us check here in A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6 elements are there. So the elements of union B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Here also 1 and next 2, next 3, next 5 and next 4 and next 7. So here 4, 5, 6 elements, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, element 5 and element 7. So from this you can say that therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we prove that A union B is equal to B union A, which implies A union B is equal to B union A, which satisfies commutative property. Union satisfies commutative property. Now let us move for the intersection. It is given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 elements here. So first of all we have to find A intersection B. Later we have to find B intersection A, and also ask that are they equal or not. We have to verify. Let us intersection satisfies commutative property or not. We have to check here. So first it is given A intersection B. So here A intersection B, elements of A, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The symbol is what? Intersection, and also it is read as A cap B. A intersection B are A cap B. B intersection A are B cap A. So A 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Intersection B elements. B elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is what? A intersection B. A elements intersection B elements. That is equal to intersection in the sense only the common elements which are in both the sets. Both the sets. What are common elements? 1 is the common element, 2 is the common element, 3 is the common element. So 1, 2, 3 are the common elements in A and B. 1, 2, 3. So only intersection means only we have to write the common element. Here we have 4, but in this set there is no 4. Here 5 and 6 elements are there. Here there are no 5 and 6 elements. So only we have to write the intersection means only the common elements which belongs to both the sets A and B. So this is what? A intersection B. Let us find out B intersection A. B intersection A is equal to, first of all we have to write here B elements. B elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and intersection A elements. A elements are here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So B elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. And again here also we have to write the common elements in both the sets. 1 is the common element, 2 is the common element, 3 is the common element. Here 5 and 6 elements are there, but in the second set there are no 5 and 6. Here 4 element is there. Here there is no 4 element in the first set. So the common elements are 1, 2, 3. So this is the set B intersection B have B cap A. So A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B intersection is also equal to 1, 2, 3. So therefore, which implies we can say that A intersection B is equal to, answer you can say, are they equal or not? Say what you can say here. Yes, what you can say here. Yes, they are equal. Yes, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So here intersection also satisfies commutative property. A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B intersection is also equal to 1, 2, 3. So intersection also satisfies. Okay children, now we will go to the difference of sets here. Given if A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and C is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Then we have to find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, and C minus D. So difference of sets. So first of all, first problem A minus B. So first of all, we should write elements of A. What are the elements of A here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. A minus B. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So now, in difference of two sets, first of all we have to cancel the common elements which are in both the sets A and B. That we have to cancel in the first set, that is what in A, and left over in the first set elements, that element should be written. So let us see here 3 common elements. So 3 it is not here, and 4 there is no 4, and next here 12. So 4 not there here, 8 no 8 element, and next 12 element, and next 16 element not there here, 20 element. So only the common element is what here, only 12 is the common element. So we have to subtract the common elements which are in both sets. That element should be cancelled in the first set, that is what A. So in this only there is a 12 common elements, so 12 we have to cancel, not in the second set, we have to cancel in the first set, and the leftover elements in the first set, that is A, that should be written. So A minus B is equal to, what are the leftover elements? 1, only leftover elements of A only, first set we only should write here 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So which is equal to A minus B. Similarly, second one. What is the second one here? B. That is second one is A minus C. A minus C. So first of all we have to write A elements, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus C elements. So what are the C elements here? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So first of all we have to find out the common elements. So 2, there is no 2. 4, there is no 4. 6, yes, there is a 6 element. 6 is the common element. Next, no 8 element. Next 10, no 10. 12, yes, 12 element is common. No 14 and no 16. So what are the common elements here? The common elements are 6 and 12 are the common elements. There is no 2 element, no 4 element, no 8 element, no 10, no 14 and no 16. So that is equal to, and now after cancelling the common elements in the both the set, that should be cancelled in the first set, that is A, 6 and 12 are cancelled, and the leftover elements of the first set should be written, that is 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. So which is equal to A minus C, which is equal to A minus C. Let us move to the third problem. The third one is A minus D. Third one is what here? A minus D. That is A. Elements of A should be written 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus D elements. What are the D elements here? 5, 10, 15, 20. So 15, 20. Let us find out the common elements. So 5, there is no 5 element. 10, there is no 10 element. 15, yes, 15 element is cancelled here. There is no 20 element. So only 15 element is common. That's why it should be cancelled in the first set, that is A, and the leftover element should be written 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. So this is equal to A minus D. This is equal to A minus. So the next one is what? The fourth one, B minus A. So B elements. So first of all you have to write the B elements. B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A elements. What are the A elements here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So as I said earlier, so the common element should be cancelled. 3, there is no 3 element. 6, there is no 6 element. 9, there is no 9 element. 12, yes, there is a 9 element. Sorry, 12 common element. There is no 15, 18 and 21. So the common element should be cancelled in the first set, and the leftover elements in the first set should be written, that is 4, 8, 16, 20, which is equal to B minus A. Let us move to the last one, fifth one, that is what? C minus D. First of all, you should write the C elements. What are the C elements here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus D elements. That is 5, 10, 15, 20. First of all, find out the common elements. So 5, there is no 5 element. 10, yes, there is a 10 element. 15, there is no 15 and there is no 20. So only common element should find out, and we have to cancel the common element in the first set, and leftover element should be, of the leftover elements of the first set should be written here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. So which is equal to C minus D, which is equal to C minus